Decoding the future. Unlocking English prefixes for future events. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on mastering advanced vocabulary in English. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English language, the prefixes for future events. These are powerful language tools that allow you to express the timing and sequence of events with clarity and precision. Before we dive into specifics, let's take a moment to understand what a prefix is. A prefix is a group of letters we add at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. In our case today, we're focusing on prefixes that indicate future time or events. Moving on, let's explore some of the most common prefixes we use in English to express future events. 1. Post. This prefix originates from Latin, meaning after. We use it in words like postpone, to arrange for an event to take place after it was originally planned. Post-production, the period in movie making after the shooting stops, or post-apocalypse, the time after a catastrophic event. 2. Pro. This is another prefix used to indicate something in the future. It is used in words like proactive, taking action by causing change and not only reacting to change when it happens, and prospect, the possibility that something will happen in the future. 3. Fore. This prefix comes from Old English, meaning before or front. It is often used to denote something that comes before or in anticipation of something else. Words like forecast, a prediction or estimate of future events, or foresee, predict or be aware of something before it happens, are examples of this. Now that we know these prefixes, let's put them into practice. Here are some exercises for you. 1. Try to think of 2 other words using each of the prefixes we learned today: post, pro, and fore. 2. Try to create sentences using these words. For instance, you could say, the scientist could foresee a significant breakthrough in their research. 3. Share your sentences with a partner or in the comments section below. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on prefixes for future events. I hope this session has enriched your vocabulary and given you the tools to express future events with clarity. Keep practicing, and remember, every new word is a step towards mastering the English language. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.